What's up, everyone? This is Raphael from SelfMade Profits. And if you're looking for a way to earn some extra income from home, you're looking for some flexibility in life, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be going over how you can make up to $100 a day just by typing, okay? It's pretty simple work, guys. I'll be going over it step by step. And also, I'll be showing you a little hack just to make it a little easier for you, okay? Before I do that, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell. That way, you're notified every time I put out content just like this, to help you make money from home. Okay, so like I said, it's pretty simple work. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go to Google, and at Google here, you're going to go ahead and type in text broker in the search bar here, and then I've already typed it in, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the link, the first link here. All right, so it's going to go ahead and take you to the website here for you to get all the information you need. Okay, so when you come here, you're going to click on I write content. Once you click on I write content, it's going to take you to the page where you're going to basically read up on information. Now, how text broker works is that a lot of companies need people to write for them for their blogs. They probably don't have the time to do it themselves, so they like to pay people to do it, to go ahead and do that for them. So you can come here and write articles for these companies and get paid every time you do so. Okay, so you do get paid just by a rating system. So it depends on how good you write. If you write very good, you get like a 5-star system, and you're gonna get paid pretty good for it. All right, but if you write not too good, you're gonna get you're still gonna get paid pretty good, but it's not gonna be as good as, of course, as writing a 5-star article. Okay. Now, as you can see here, you're on the website here, and it says, with Text Broker, your writing talent pays off. Text Broker gives you access to thousands of projects to turn your writing skills into cash. Okay, so earn money to write content. Is writing your passion? Then Text Broker is the right place for you. Since 2005, Text Broker is the leading provider of unique custom content. All right, so you can go ahead and read up on more of this stuff here. As you can see, it says why write for Text Broker is free of charge, flexible time management, and reliable payment. Read here why it pays to become a Text Broker author. How Text Broker works. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, Text Broker has the right project for every author. Receive your first order in just a few simple steps. Text Broker offers several payment options. The better your content, the more you can earn. Find out more. So we're going to click here and take a look at the payment and how you would earn with Text Broker. All right, so simply here is a little chart here that basically breaks it down for you. Okay, so basically a 2-star rating would get you 0.7 cents a word. All right, but a 5-star rating will get you 5.0 cents per word. Okay, so this is what we're aiming for here. And there's a couple ways that you can do this. All right, so you can make it real easy. You can go to this site called Fiverr, and I'll go to the site myself, and that way I can show you. So at Fiverr here, what you can do is you can look for people that writes articles, and they'll write the article for $5 to $10. Okay, so they're gonna write you a 5-star article, and then you're gonna go ahead and submit it to this company here, to Text Broker, and you're gonna get paid about $100 basically for it. So once you get paid that $100, you're gonna make sure it's enough words to match this. So you're gonna get paid about $100 for it, and you're gonna pay off Fiverr $10, so you've made like $90 basically doing it. Okay, so that's another hack that you can do. You can go to Fiverr and just hire somebody to do it for about $5 to $10. They're going to go ahead and do a good job on the article. You submit it, you get paid, and you pay off the difference basically. So you still come out making money doing this. Now, if you want to, also you can go to Google Docs. If you're not a skilled writer, you don't like writing that much, you can come here to Google Docs, and you're going to go ahead and just click on Tools, and right here it says Voice Typing. So once you click on that, Voice Typing, you can basically read what you're going to say on your article, and it's going to type it out here for you, and that way you can just make a few corrections that you may need to make, and you'll have your article out in no time. Okay, so you'll be able to put out these articles as fast as possible and be able to make money as fast as possible. So this is pretty much a hack just for the Text Broker here, for you to be able to write all your articles in time. Okay, so like I said, with Text Broker, it's a pretty good company. You can request a payoff to your PayPal account once a week as long as your Text Broker balance is greater than $10. So obviously here you're getting paid with PayPal, and you are an independent contractor. So this is good for anybody that's out of the US. you can get paid with this. My international people, you can definitely come here and get paid for this. All right, so we're going to go to this word counter and we'll figure it out. Okay, so the 5-star, which is 5 cents, right, is a word counter. So if you write, let's say you write here. Okay, so you write 2,000 words article, you're going to get paid $100. Okay, so if you go ahead to Fiverr and you have somebody write a 2,000 word article, you're going to get paid $100 for it. Okay, so you pay that person $5 to $10, you make about $90 to $95 just off that article, and you didn't even do any work. You just submitted this article. You see what I'm saying? So this is pretty much a good deal here for you. You can definitely get paid with this company. So once you're ready to get started, you just come on the website and you'll click here where it says free author registration. You'll fill out the form and they'll go ahead and contact you by email, and then you'll be able to get started. Okay. Now, if you guys found this content valuable, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video. I will definitely be putting out more content just like this that's going to help you make money from home. Okay, so the goal is for everyone to prosper, so I'll definitely be putting out more content just like this. All right, so become self-made today and stay blessed.